Welcome back to Frontline News. I'm Cody Ann Barrett. It's now time for Frontline Business. There's a new type of banana that banana farmers in St. Mary and Portland were told to grow for chips production, and it's causing confusion. More from Kimberly Broderick.
It is understood that two main chips producers, Jamaica Producers Group and Chippies, are suffering from an abundance in bananas. This is due to instructions to grow Fia bananas instead of the usual Robusta bananas.
Nobody don't want it to eat, so eventually we don't even going to have one to eat in the valley, a good Robusta banana to eat. Everybody can have this banana, which are we know everybody falling back from this banana because the chisman don't want so much banana because everybody planting it.
All Island Bananas Growers Association Chairman Byron Henry responded to the farmers' concerns.
I was storing away close to 2,000 pounds of bananas weekly from my farm in Portland. Partly because of the drought and partly because Jamaica Producers Group and Chippies have been overwhelmed by the amount of bananas that they've been getting.
Fia bananas are larger than the Robusta bananas and is more resistant to diseases, therefore requiring less maintenance. So with an oversupply of Fia bananas, the farmers have been pushing to get the $10 million needed to complete their own chips manufacturing plant in St. Mary. It is reported that the Agriculture Ministry intervened to provide a loan, which Minister without portfolio in the ministry, J.C. Hutchinson, said has been approved and will be taken from the supplementary fund. He says it should be distributed next week. Kimberly Broderick, Frontline Business.
There was a 70% increase in loans and advances issued by the NCB Financial Group during its just-ended 2018 financial year. They totaled $372.6 billion, an increase of $154 billion over the prior year. NCB says the consolidation of Bermuda's Clarion Bank, of which it has a 50.1% stake, pushed up the portfolio by more than $700 million. In addition, credit card receivables increased by 14%, and the financial conglomerate's Cayman portfolio grew by 67%. On the other hand, non-performing loans totaled $18.2 billion as at September 30 and represented 4.8% of gross loans compared to 2.5% as at September 30 last year. NCB says the increase was due to the inclusion of Clarion, which has a non-performing loan ratio of 11.8%. Wigton Wind Farm is partnering with Caribbean Maritime University, CMU, in utilizing geospatial technology to maintain its wind turbines. The university has been commissioned by the entity to build a drone that can be used to inspect the 50-meter-high wind turbines at its South Manchester facility. Wigton Wind Farm sells electricity to the Jamaica Public Service Company under a power purchase agreement. The facility has a capacity of 62.7 megawatts of power. In Friday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index advanced by 2,142 points to close at over 360,000. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 46 stocks, of which 20 advanced, 19 declined, and 7 traded firm. The junior market index advanced by 14 points to close at 3,215. Stocks advanced for Access Financial, Caribbean Cream, Carreras Limited, Elite Diagnostic, and Express Catering. Stocks declined for Caribbean Cement, Caribbean Producers, Dermont Trading, Phosphate Company, and Iron Rock Insurance. Trading firm were 1834 Investments, Barita Investments, Consolidated Bakeries, GUS Corporation, and Honeybun. NCB Financial Group was the volume leader with over 800,000 units, followed by Victoria Mutual Investments with over 700,000 units, and Jamaica Broilers Group also with over 700,000 units. And in news in oil prices fell to multi-month lows on Friday as global supply increased and investors worried about the impact on fuel demand of lower economic growth and trade disputes. Benchmark Brent crude dropped $1.52 to a low of $62.13 before recovering to around $69.55, down 4.5% for the week and 16% this quarter. The U.S. crude contract hit a low of $59.28, down $1.39, and off more than 20% since its peak in October. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Cody Bright. Pleasant viewing.